Cliffhanger's gone. Oldest theme park in the UK, and we've got a new Zamperla. Spins very slowly, that's what it does. Happy the 360 version. Go on. Yeah. Good ride there, good ride. Happy birthday. Dodo. No. Beans. Rock concert over it. Cliffhanger's now gone. Quite sad. But they're expanding. Still closed after how nasty. Quite a big area for Cliffhanger.
This road to a caravan park where dozens of people have been staying.
The force of the landslide was awesome. Thousands of tons of mud and rock simply gave way, causing huge cracks in the road and devastating nearby homes. The ground at Blackgang Chine has been moving since Sunday, but the biggest slide came just after midnight. Blackgang Chine has had a history of landslides. The last big one was in 1976 when 2 homes toppled into the sea.
During the event, many residential and commercial buildings were lost to the erosion. Families lost homes, and much of the theme park site was lost or made too dangerous to enter. Luckily, these occurrences are few and far between, and since this building was shored up, no further occurrences have been noted. Until then!
And that was the end of that. Whale of a story, huh? Amazing. That is a whale, sort of. I'm gonna go walk through it. I survived the whale. Friend here, hello mate.
I don't know what you're doing.
Okay, cool. Trumpers Mansion. Wow. Man's blocking my pathway. Move, please. It looks much taller. We're not allowed to go in, but I don't care anyway. Low voltage, high voltage. Sadly, he didn't make it. And this guy's too hungry. There's a snail on the house. That's a new bin. It looks so nice.